Good morning, children. Before we start the class, try to answer this puzzle.
A gardener planted 10 trees in 5 rows. Each row had 4 trees in it. How did he do this? Guess. Yes, he arranged the trees in star pattern.
Let's start the lesson with a story. Rohit wanted to celebrate his birthday in an orphanage. His parents were very happy to hear that. They took him to the orphanage on his birthday with the birthday cake. There were 7 girls and 3 boys in the orphanage. So, Rohit cut the cake into 10 equal pieces and shared it equally. So, he gave 7 out of 10 pieces to the girls and 3 out of 10 pieces of cake to the boys. Now, guess what topic we are going to teach? Yes, it is fractions. Fractions. The definition of fraction is a fraction is nothing but a part of a whole. Whole means a full part. Now let's see the parts of the fractions. Number 1, numerator. Number 2, fraction bar. And number 3 is denominator. Let's take this fraction. 7 by 10. 7 is numerator and the line in between it was given, that is fraction bar, and the number which is written down is denominator. Now let's see the types of fractions. There are 7 types of fraction. They are like, unlike, proper, improper, unit, mixed and equivalent. Yes, let's see the proper fraction now. If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, it is called as proper fraction. The same case, if the numerator is greater than the denominator, it is improper fraction. What is mean by like fraction? Yes, if the denominators are same, then it is called as like fraction. Obviously, if the denominators are different, it is unlike fraction. Now let's go to unit fraction. Unit fraction is nothing but we have the numerator fully 1 because 1 is called as unit. Now let's go to mixed fraction. 1 whole number and 1 fraction. They both are mixed, so it is called as mixed fraction. Now equivalent fraction. For example, if I take this 2 by 3, 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 3 is 6. The same way, 3 into 2 is 6 and 3 into 3 is 9. So if we cut off these number and reduce into its lowest terms, again we will get the same number 2 by 3. Now let's see addition and subtraction of fractions. Before seeing this addition and subtraction, we must follow a rule. The rule is we should not add or subtract the denominators. We have to add and subtract only the numerators. Shall we see an example now? Yes. Now addition. The question is 7 by 21 plus 6 by 21. As I told you, we should not add the denominators. So we have to keep as it is. What is our numerators? 7 and 6. So 7 plus 6. What is 7 plus 6, darlings? Yes, it is 11. 11 by 21. Now let's subtract in the same way. The question is 18 by 23 minus 8 by 23. We have to follow our rule. That is, we should not add or subtract the denominator. So we keep the 23 as it is. And we have to subtract the numerator. What is 18 minus 8? Yes, it is 10. 10 by 23. Let's do an activity on fractions, children. It is a paper folding activity. We are going to make this paper, fold the paper into half and quarter. Shall we? Now, this is whole. Now I am going to make it into two equal parts by folding the paper into two parts. This is 1 and this is 2. So, 2 parts. Now I am going to make this paper, fold the paper into 4 parts. You should not overlap the edges. You have to fold like this. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 portions are there. That means this is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. That is quarter, quarter and quarter and quarter. If 4 like this means this is 1 by 2. That is half. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2.